Meditation. To think deeply or focus one's mind for a period of time. In silence or with the aid of chanting. For religious or spiritual purposes or as a method of relaxation. I wanted to test myself and see if I could meditate for 30 minutes every day for a month. To my surprise, this challenge would be a lot harder than anticipated as I failed to reach my goal for day one. Alright, we got 28 minutes. That was a lot harder than I thought. I was really struggling the last couple minutes or so. My thoughts were kind of like bouncing all over the place, and it was really difficult to just think about nothing. That was that was definitely harder than I thought. So again, for the first day, 28 minutes, 30 seconds. Not too bad. Feel kind of weird. I don't know. Wasn't really able to clear my mind and just think about nothing. Maybe that's because I'm just not used to it yet. My struggles to clear my mind continued into day 3, and I became very fidgety. I was unable to stay focused and became distracted by my surroundings, resulting in another failed session. I just finished up my 3rd session, and it was definitely a struggle. I was really finding it hard and difficult to concentrate on nothing and just keeping my mind empty and clear. I kept hearing like the dishwasher and the dryer and the washing machine and the air conditioning, and all these noises were going on around me, and I kept focusing in on them. I wasn't able to keep my mind clear and get the full effect of the meditation session. So it was a struggle. This is only day 3, and this is going to be a lot harder than I anticipated. I decided it was time for a change of scenery. I was getting little to no results meditating in the comfort of my own home. Instead of household appliances, maybe we really are meant to listen to the birds and the bees. Alright, it's about 6 in the morning right now. We're going to go to the park, see if we can get an early meditation session, and hopefully get a quick time-lapse video of this sunrise coming up. That was definitely the best session so far. It was really nice and relaxing to hear the birds, the wind, the trees, and even the occasional car pass by. It was really soothing just sitting down like in nature outside and just taking it all in. Definitely try that again. By day 15, I was able to clear my thoughts by focusing in on my breath. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. It felt like time was slowing down and my mind was finally able to relax and rest. By day 24, loud noises, which were once distracting, became calming parts of the session. Even loud airplanes became a relaxing sound to take in. No meditation experience is complete without a waterfall. Regardless of size, something about the flowing stream and cold water splashing at your back moves you into a state of tranquility. This was the most rewarding day of the entire experience. Okay, just finished up filming my last meditation session for the month, and definitely one of the better ones, as I was able to do it in the morning on the dock just right by the water here. It was really nice and peaceful, and as you can hear, you hear all these birds and different sounds in the morning, and it was really nice to just zone out and also have something else to concentrate on other than my breath. So I feel really great now. I feel really great right now. I'm super happy that I finished this challenge. The first 2 weeks, like I said earlier, was really difficult. It was really tough to kind of find the groove of meditation and how to properly do it. But I really found that focusing in on my breath, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, really helped me get through it and get my mind to shut down. And everything just started to slow down, and you find a state of relaxation, and it's really nice. This bird's going crazy right now. I'm really happy that I decided to try this meditation challenge, as in the beginning I was kind of skeptical if I would really get anything out of it, but it far exceeded my expectations in terms of mental clarity, and I feel great. So I highly recommend that you give it a try and see what it does for you. So until next time, stay consistent, be cool. Peace.